Seems to be clearly betting on a rate cut from the ECB next week.
Absolute, Jamie. I think it was quite interesting, actually. If you actually look at the overall figures, the Eurozone Composite PMI wasn't actually that bad. Services kind of held up. Manufacturing's touched softer, but clearly, as you mentioned, it was the German PMIs which came in softer, which took euro-dollar below 130. Essentially, I think the market's looking at these weaker German figures, and they're looking at ECB Weidmann's comments last week that a rate cut is possible if conditions warrant. They're putting two and two together, and they're selling the euro on the back of that.
Okay, now how far can it go on the downside then over the next week, 2 weeks?
Well, we think a couple of things will be very important. You have ECB comments coming tomorrow from Constancio. That'll be a key thing to watch. You have April CPI figures on the 30th as well. That'll be very, very important. We think generally it could probably grind lower. A couple of key levels there. 128.50 is a very sturdy support level. So any decline back to there would probably establish long positions looking for a return to 135 by mid-year.